There's some Canadian geese babies. I'm gonna try to get close. There's two sets. There's two sets because there's another set up here. I'll try to get a little closer. Look at those babies. The one making all the noise, he's the one that lives here. He's not too happy with this other family being here. I was trying to get around this tree. It's not the easiest thing in the world. Babies are behind the tree. Dynamite! How's it going, all you guys and girls in the Illumination? It's me, it's JJD, JJ, Double J, the Illuminator here, the Loom, also known by almost countless other aliases and nicknames, but we won't get into that right now. Currently on my way to the store to buy more bird seed. I'm telling you, these birds are pigs. We fill up the bird feeders once a day, and it doesn't take long, they're like, gone. I'm going out of house and home now. They're eating me out of house and home. It's crazy. Hey, you know what's really on my mind? When people are on the road and you can tell they have no idea where they're going, and yet they're driving so reckless that they're about to cause an accident because they're in a hurry to go nowhere. That's what's on my mind, slapnuts. Well, got the bird seed here. I'm just going to look at a few other things, and then I'm out of here. My goodness, is it warm today. What a difference from yesterday. Yesterday it was like 68. Today it feels a lot more humid. I don't know. Moving some stuff around back here to be able to fit everything. What a difference going to the store on a weekday compared to a weekend. Oh, it's just crazy. There's like nobody there today, and on a weekend it's packed. You know what else is on my mind? Leaf blowers. I mean, people, they're so lazy. They'll blow the leaves out into the street. just for the wind to blow them back into their yard. And pick them up with a rake, slap nuts. Yeah, well, I was misinformed. It's only 70 degrees today, but the humidity levels are a little bit more through the roof, so that's why it feels so uncomfortable. I hope the air conditioner's on at work. That's about it, guys. Just brought everything into the house. I'm gonna head over to my mom's house and rest up a little bit before work. Talk to you all soon. I love you all. Have a great day. Be good to one another. This is the Illuminator, and I'll be back.